Many experts have expressed their concerns about human rights violations that are related to white supremacism in the U.S.
See, human rights violations definitely happen in the US. I mean, there's no taking away from that. A lot happens. In any case, these sentiments are there. It's essentially, hatred of the other. The other. Who is the other? The other is anyone who's non-white, so to say, right? So hatred of the other, and it has been going up. Amongst the adults, more or many of the cases are related to white racism, white supremacy.
I think the fact that blacks and Asians are discriminated in America is just a continuous process of racism in America. The US now has been exposed as a racist society. So definitely it is the old age structures that are working. If it has gone or if it has exacerbated, it is just because of the fact that things like COVID-19 just put pressure on a system that is already crumbling, on a social system that discriminates people due to color.
Un elemento que viene de las propias raíces, digamos, de la fundación o de la organización de lo que es Estados Unidos.
According to a local media outlet, white Americans are responsible for the majority of hate crimes in the United States. 25 News KXXV said in May, of the 6,780 known offenders in 2020, 55.1% were white people.